So this is the last part of the lesson 2, and you can check out the demo to the right in the actions. And go ahead, I know you can't wait until the bottom of this page. Click a kitty to attack and see new kitty zombie you get. And so this is an example of how the JavaScript implementations, and we will use the web3.js to interact with the Solidity contract. So for example, if we have the zombie ID and also the kitty ID, and we can use this API to get the image. So for example, we can copy this, and for example, we add 1, the kitty ID, and you can see it has the image URL at this part. So we can copy this and paste to here, kitty1 image. Now we back to here. If the image is clicked, it will trigger the feed on kitty, and it will create a zombie, and it will listen for the new zombie event, and if it has the events triggered, it will generate the zombie by using the ID and also the DNA. So now give it a try. So if we click on this kitty, it will generate a new zombie by using the CryptoKitty DNA and also the zombie DNA. The new DNA is like this. The last 2 digits is 99. And you can see, because we have this special DNA, it will have the cat tail and also the cat legs. So let's try another combinations. You can try it on this, and it will also has the 99 at the last 2 digits, and even the third one. So you can see they have different appearance, but both of them has the cat tails and legs. So now you can end this lesson and share to your friends with the social media.